Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have a bug zapper. UV light attracts insects. Now, I'm not sure if it does not cover this or covers it. Mosquito, flies, moth, bees, wasps. Here's the tech specs. Goes with the device. Type-C cable, instructions, and brush. About the length of my arm here. It's not the bigger one. Charged by solar, 360 trapping mosquitoes, UV light attracts all bugs, chemical and odor free. And here's different lighting settings. Use indoor or outdoors, or as a lamp light, micro USB rechargeable or solar charger. First thing we have is instructions. The brush here, sorry, mango, or maybe it's like USB-C, USB-A. Bug zapper. There's a solar panel here. Hang it. Let's see. Turn on the bug. It's a UV light that tracks bugs at night. And here are the lights. In different settings. On and off. What is this one? Tray for bugs. Picture wattage, model, name, USB plug here to charge it. And that's it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.